Okay, here we go. Let's go and test it out and see how this motovlogging sync from phone to your action cam video. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Camera's rolling. What's up, everyone? This is the test motovlog for my new motovlogging setup, I should say. I just got a new helmet. I just also got a new action cam, and I'm testing the what you call this thing? The sync. You use a phone as your audio for your motovlogging. By using the voice recorder, and that will serve as your audio for your video, because this action cam that I got does not have a what you call this thing, an external mic, so I have to basically anyway, I'm kind of late because holy shit. I'm gonna take a U-turn here. Oh. Alright. That was a long U-turn, huh? Okay. So going back, I'm testing out how to do this cell phone sync. How do motovloggers call this? I can't think of any word how to describe this thing. You say your cell phone to your action cam, so you get audio for your motovlogging. Because, like again, I said this action cam does not have an external mic, so there will be no talking if you don't use your phone. So yeah, here we go. Let's see how this thing works. So one thing's for sure, I've already turned on my voice recorder on this Samsung Galaxy phone that I got, and yeah, we'll get in see how this thing does. Okay, we'll just wait here. Yes, this is a perfect spot while waiting. Oh man. Oh shit. I've been meeting up with someone who's waiting for me at Ayala right now, and from there we'll be also meeting another group at Mandaue. So first destination Ayala, then we'll go to Mandaue, and from there we go to Danao. Oh, sige. So, I forgot to introduce to you, that's Romel, my co-worker. Nindo ta to ko yung tazard suka dere.
Madawi mo ko sa dito.
Madawi ra siya.
Ya, kuan na sa siya kanang siya ba ako dito. Dito na mo.
Ah, ba?